Oh, that's pretty. Welcome to Motorcycle Den, and today we are at Little River Canyon, about an hour north of Gadsden, Alabama. But there's several overlooks, so we're going to go down this 176, but this is just past it. We just came from the visitor center. We thought we had the camera going, but we did not. Guys, we are heading down to the falls, and very easy path heading down. It is basically, you could take a stroller down it. Oh man, here we're getting down to it. There's a viewing platform.
Oh, there's some village, don't they?
Yeah? Where did they come from? Guess you can go on down further.
I guess.
Let's go over here. Oh, check the falls out, guys. That was awesome. I guess this platform, well, there's some steps, and I guess this platform goes on down. I guess you can get down by them rocks and stuff, I'm assuming. But we're not going down there. We just come to see the falls. That's the bridge we crossed.
This is cool back here. Don't feel like you're in the middle of the woods?
Yeah. Little River Canyon Parkway. This is beautiful back here, guys. Now there's supposedly some bear in this area, in this park, they said. And I guess they're starting to make a comeback.
That stinks.
Yeah. The pamphlet that we got said something about copperhead. I forget the other one. It's kind of red and white. I didn't read it. I'm assuming both of those are snakes to watch out for.
I say any snake is worth looking out for.
Then Overlook.
Yeah. Yeah. Do you want to pull in there?
Yeah.
I guess you do. Gee whiz.
It's paved, really, but it's got gravel on top of it. Maybe they tried filling in the holes with gravel.
I think they missed some.
She said some of these parking lots are a little rough. Sheesh. That is deep.
Got me scared in the gravel.
We're okay. Just kidding.
I don't like gravel.
It's okay. It's blacktop, really. It's just
I see gravel.
Gravel on top of it. Okay. We may keep our helmets on for this.
This better be good.
I'm holding. We'll see you later. Be careful here. Step on this rock.
Well, at least if I go down, I got a helmet on.
Oh, that's true. I don't know if we're going to be able to see anything or not. Looks like there's a trail, but we don't want to walk on that trail. Oh, look.
That's pretty.
Not worth the gravel, but...
No.
Here's a view of something. This is beautiful back here. What does it say? Camping prohibited.
Oh, look at that. That's cool.
Oh, this is it. Oh. Mushroom rock.
That's cool. I figured it was coming up because it said it separated. I'm glad they did. You know what I mean? They separated it like that.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That was cool. I like that.
That was. Wolf Creek. That's a pretty view, guys. Eberhard Point Overlook. And it's actually paved. Oh, it looks good.
Mm-hmm.
There's some other overlook. I think that's one that we passed a while back. I don't know which one it is, but it's probably the one at the point, because then you come up, go around the canyon, and then come back, and this is the last overlook. What do you think, Mrs. Den?
Beware of the parking lots.
Yeah, most of them are gravel, and they have steep drop-offs when you go in.
Very, very rutted.
Yeah, when you go into the parking lot, so be careful, guys, if you're on the motorcycle. This is beautiful, though. It's worth the drive back at 176, and to see the falls that we seen at the beginning. That was great. We hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we will talk to you later. See ya.